Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to repair a leaking water valve. Better yet, I'm actually going to show you how to not let a leaking valve ruin your day and stop you in your tracks mid-reno. So as you can see, we're renoing here in the bathroom. We've removed the toilet and we put in new floors, but there's a problem. The toilet has been removed, but the valve on our toilet here, you can see I've got it set up with a drip. It's got a slow drip to it. So if we were to remove this, the water would be constantly flowing everywhere here. Now, the only way to replace a valve would be to shut the water off in the home and crimp on a new valve. Not everybody has the tools or the know-how to do this. So I'm going to show you kind of a cheaty way to fix this. We're going to get one of these, okay? This has a few names. It can be called a retro valve. It can be called a stacker valve. I've even heard it be called a condo valve. And the reason they call it all these sorts of things is because it enables you to control the water without shutting down the entire building and or suite. So you can see this is dripping. This is brand new floor. The last thing we want is any water damage on this floor. So what we're going to do, we'll take our stacker valve, pair of our pliers, our pump pliers, or our channel locks like we always see on every job. We'll remove the water line that was put here. We're going to remove this guy. You can see it's got a little leak right there that is just constant. So we get our little towel. We can put it around just to cover our back sides right now, okay? Now you can see this has got a little bit of water. That is as tight as it can go, but it will always drip. We take this guy here. It's got a female end and a male end. We put it right on top of there like a stacker, just like it's called. You can thread it on and then tighten it up with your channel locks or pump pliers. Now, you can see this is in the off position and there's no water getting through whatsoever from this valve. We can now open this valve completely to let all the water come up, and still it's being stopped so well by this ball valve. Essentially, we've turned this into a redundant valve. It's now just part of the piping system, and you can then plumb from here onwards without any issues. Now, this will save your backside a lot. I'm telling you right now. It's very easy. It's a $25 part. Now, you can get back to work doing your reno and your floors and anything else and not have to worry about the water in your way. It'll save you from calling maintenance, from shutting down the building, and creating more headaches. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, as always. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. I'll get back to you. And if you could like and subscribe, that would be solid. Thank you.